Do you want to learn English fast? Do you want to speak English fluently? Then join me in today's episode of Daily English. Hi, my name is Valen. This is Cosmic Academy, and I'm here to help you learn English fast. In today's lesson, you will learn how to use possessive case, days of the week, and numbers. As you watch the show, listen carefully and try to understand. Then, watch the grammar lesson with Gabrielle. After you finish the lesson, click the link in the description below for more free practice and quizzes of today's English. Alright then, I'll see you on the other side.
Good morning. You're up early.
Yes, looking for my...
For your keys?
Yes.
They're here.
Thank you, Victor.
Do your classes start today?
No, I start classes on Wednesday. I'm looking for a job today.
Oh, it's a good idea to get the paper early. Can I make you some tea?
Do you have coffee?
Sorry, I'm not sure if we have any coffee. Let me have a look.
Darling, good morning.
Good morning, Agatha.
What a clever girl. You're doing morning exercises.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Did you sleep well?
Very well.
Sorry, no coffee. Maybe we should add it to the shopping list?
Oh, yes. Tell me what you need. I'm going shopping with my sister Betty.
Oh, coffee would be nice.
Well, what are your plans for today, sweetheart?
Oh, she's job hunting. She's looking for a part-time job.
Oh, how industrious. Well, a pretty girl like you will have no trouble finding a job.
Here's the paper.
Thanks.
And look, there's one. It's here in Kensington.
Video store on the high street.
Oh, young person with excellent communication skills. That's perfect.
Yeah, and afternoon shifts, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
Where is the high street?
Just make a left at the top of our road onto Hornton, and then make another left onto the high street. The store is on your right, next to the tube station.
The tube?
I'll walk you up there, okay?
Thank you, that is very kind of you.
Oh, nonsense. My brother's a gentleman.
Go get ready, and I'll meet you downstairs in 15 minutes, okay?
Okay. Well, good luck, my dear. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too, Agatha.
I'll see you in a little while.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Are you ready for some serious studying? In today's sitcom, Elena looks in the newspaper for a part-time job with the help of Victor. That will really help her English. Working in a video store, don't you think? Talking to people all day in English is a great idea. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to talk about the possessive case. This is Gabrielle's scarf. Lady Coco, do you remember her? Lady Coco is Gabrielle's cat. Then we are going to study the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, maybe you know some of them. And then the numbers 1 to 12. Does that sound okay? All right, let's get started. So, I have a friend, Jade. She has gorgeous red hair, and she's a very good friend of mine. Jade has a brother. He's a student. I can make life much easier by saying Jade's brother is a student, instead of using the brother of Jade. I can simply add apostrophe S and say Jade's brother. It's much simpler, isn't it? Let's look at some more examples, shall we? In English, instead of saying the mother of Peter, we say Peter's mother. A native English speaker doesn't say the book of Sarah. They say Sarah's book. We can say Agatha's boyfriend is very handsome. The cat's toy is in the box. The president's house is in Washington, D.C. You see, it sounds much better than the house of the president. You sound like a native English speaker already. Well done. Now, what day is today? Thursday? Saturday? I can never remember. Poor me. Well, I know it's not Sunday because I don't normally work on Sunday. And I usually have a delicious dinner with Dylan, our Sunday roast. So, let's look at the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Do you remember what day Elena starts class? She starts on Wednesday. And on which days is the job at the video store? Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, let's look at some other words. If today is Monday, what day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. And what day was it yesterday? Sunday. Here's a tip. The second day of the week is Tuesday, which sounds a little bit like the number 2. Remember that in English, we write the days of the week with a capital letter, okay? Oh, I said 2. So let's have a look at the numbers 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's see if you can do a little test. What is 2 plus 3? 5, good. And 5 plus 4? 9. What about 6 plus 6? 12. Good job. Well, today was an English and a math lesson. You are multi-talented. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
So how was today's lesson? Which part was the hardest? Was it the grammar? Was it the vocabulary? Did they talk too fast? Tell me in the comments below. Now, just to recap the grammar, this is the possessive case in English. These are the days of the week. And these are numbers, 1 through 12. If you want to improve your English fast, you have to practice it. So I'm giving you free exercises and quizzes to help you build your English skills. Just click the link in the description below to access my exercises. Because when it comes to English, use it, don't lose it. Also, are you looking for friends to practice English with? Join our Facebook group to practice English with real people like you from around the world. Click the link in the description below to join. Practice new English every day and you will improve fast. So thanks for watching today's lesson. If you learned something, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to watch the next lesson.